680 millivolts and it has glown. मम्मी आ गई आ गई आ गई. Hello. This is a solar system project. This system consists of a charger and a lead acid battery, and this portion is used for your solar panel, depicts your solar panel, and this is the control circuitry for the day and night operation of the light. Right now the system is active over there, so that light is running from solar panel, and that system right over there is powering that. Okay, and here is the battery besides the meter, and in the day this LED light will be running, and if it's night this bulb will be run, okay, glow. So at sunset this bulb will glow and that will switch off, and this bulb will glow in the night, and this system is automatic and it is reverse polarity protected. It is based on auxiliary power systems, and yep, that's it.